Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Ambition Rights. Excuse the look. I'm actually going to be doing a battle of the twisting technique, I guess. I was looking at 3-strand twists the other day and I realized I've never done my whole head, or like half a head I guess, using 3-strand twist. I wonder which is better, a 2-strand twist or a 3-strand twist for my low density hair. Which will be better? And y'all know I love doing things like this. If you're unfamiliar with my channel, this is your opportunity to hit that subscribe button, because I love doing battles of everything. Battles of techniques, battle of products, you name it. I love it. So, on this side of my head, I'm going to be doing 3-strand twists. And on this side of my head, we're going to be doing 2-strand twists, all with the same products. I have an updated twist out routine, so if you want to check that out, you can. The Holy Grail products I'm going to use is going to be my Curls and Potions Tropical Cocoa Smoothie Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. And then on top of it is the Cream of Nature Twist and Hold Defining Custard. If you're unfamiliar with the 3-strand twist, I'm going to try, emphasis on try, to do a explanation / tutorial of how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply all my leave-in conditioner to all my sections. I should have ordered more. And then I'll be back. Okay, so I had to do one 3-strand twist just to make sure I remember how to do it. The times that I do a 3-strand twist is only in the front of my hair where my looser sections are. Just because it allows my hair... Okay, I don't know how to explain it. A 2-strand twist is too loose for my loose section. A 3-strand twist allows it to kind of be like a braid but a twist. Essentially, a 3-strand twist is like starting a braid, but you're twisting as opposed to crossing over. You're just going to be like wrapping it. So, let me explain to you what I mean. This is my right hand. So, when I reference my right hand, this is what I'm talking about. So, I'm going to start off my right hand going all the way to my left hand. So, I'm going to be going like this, like a twist. And whatever's in my right hand is always going to go to the very farthest part. So, it's going to go like this. All the way over, and then now I have something in my right hand, right? All the way over. I hope this makes sense. All the way over. So if you've ever done full locks or anything and you're doing that wrapping motion, that's literally what you're doing here, but you're forming a twist. So you're just going over, over. You see how I'm like just cycling it through, over. So, kind of like a 2-strand twist when you're just wrapping it over and over. It's the same thing. You just got 3 strands. Make sure the sections are clean. Over. And when I say clean, I mean like you're not grabbing hair from another section by accident. It's the same as braiding. So I like this. I like 3-strand twists because you can essentially do your sections bigger, because when they separate, it's not going to be 2 strands, it's going to be 3. So you could do them slightly bigger. I don't want to, just because I've never done a 3-strand twist on like my whole head before. Like I said, I've only done it in the front sections of my hair for my curl pattern, but you can already see as well, a 3-strand twist is a lot longer too, and it's a lot tighter of a twist. You'll see that comparison once I do this side. And once I get to the very bottom and it's hard to do 3, I transfer it to 2 twists and I just continue with that. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to try this again. So here's my hair. We're going to part it into 3 sections. Here's my 3. This is my right hand. So just follow my right hand. Well, follow everything, but so I like to hold the other 2 sections, the middle section in between my pointer and thumb, and then the other 2 sections between my ring finger and my pinky. It's just easier for me, but you do it however. I know there's overhand and underhand. I'm overhand, but so right hand is gonna go over to this hand, and then I'm going to grab the next one, right? I'll let the middle one go just so, you know, it's easier. Then I have this one go over to that one again. Then I pick up the one that was dangling, remember? I pick up that one, and then I can let that one go, just so it's easier. I let my right hand go to my left hand pinky. We could drop that one. If dropping it is easier for you, then you can do that. Pick up the next one. You could drop the middle one. And then now I'm just gonna pick up some speed here. I only like to drop the middle when I'm first starting in the beginning, because once it gets to this part, I don't want to drop it because I don't want to make it loose. So don't train yourself to do that the whole time, but if it helps you start it, you can do that. Once it gets to about like right here, I'm gonna just transition it to 2-strand twist and then coil. I have 5 in the front, 4 in the back for my 3-strand twists, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Alright, so as you can see, I have a lot more twist on this side compared to my 3-strand twist. And I have 7 in the back compared to my 4. So in hindsight, I feel like a 3-strand twist you could get done faster and in bigger sections compared to a regular 2-strand twist. And the 3-strand twists are tighter than a 3-strand twist for sure.
The next day.
It's next morning, and per usual, I think I always mention this, but this bonnet is from Humble Glow. I love their bonnets just because it never falls off. It ties in the back. So 3-strand twist looks like it's hanging a lot lower. So this one compared to this one. Let's start off with the 3-strand twist. So you're just gonna unravel it the same way you would do a regular twist out. It's just that you have three strands. And the beauty of a 3-strand twist, in my opinion, is that the hard work is done for you. It's already split. Okay, so now I'm confused. So this is the 3-strand twist side, and this is a regular 2-strand twist. So, okay, I didn't fluff anything or anything yet because I want to honestly say my thoughts of unraveling them, installing them, whatever. So, the 3-strand twist side, as you can see, I thought it would have more volume. Let's look forward. More volume than the 2-strand twist side, but it actually doesn't. My theory was that because I was doing it in bigger sections and it's 3 strands as opposed to 2, that it would be more voluminous than the 2-strand twist side. It is not. I feel like 3-strand twist, once you get the hang of it, will go faster because you're ultimately doing them in bigger sections and, you know, the 3 strands. The 2-strand twist did take me longer to install because I had to do more twists. But the volume is still there for my 2-strand twist side because I did them smaller, which then makes more twists, so then it looks more voluminous, right? So I feel like the 3-strand twist didn't do what I thought it was going to do, but yeah. Also the takedown. 3-strand twist initially, installing them goes faster, taking them down takes longer. Because if you happen to catch, you know, a little piece of strand of hair, like when you're braiding and you ultimately, like, you know, get them confused or whatever, you could run into snags. So this side actually has a little bit more frizz because I haven't mastered my 3-strand twist yet. And like I mentioned, I've only done like maybe 2 in the front of my hair. I've never done a whole side of my head before. So taking them down, I ran into a few snags, and you have to be so careful to like unravel them properly because then they could become like a knot. So this took me longer to take down as opposed to my regular 2-strand twist, which I've mastered at this point. And so there's definitely like no frizz on my 2-strand twist side, but just a little bit of frizz here. And before I took them out, the 3-strand twist looked longer, but now they look completely even. So which one is really better? I don't know. This was supposed to be more visibly different. Okay, y'all, so I just stretched my hair, and I definitely know which side is better for me. The twist out side. Look at this. So as I was stretching my hair, I have a stretching video, you guys can check that out. I have multiple ways I stretch my hair, but I did the first one in that video. When I was stretching it, I realized this is giving me very spacey vibes. Like, look, you can see through the wall. It's giving me, look. As a low density girl, that's not what we need. That's not what we need over here. So I'm gonna leave the 3-strand fancy twist to the thick density girls, and I'm gonna stick with my regular 2-strand twist, which is faster. Essentially, you know, it's a faster routine as opposed to like, oh my god, don't catch, make sure it carries. Like, this is too much thinking on the 3-strand twist side. So for us girls, I think we'll stay with the 2-strand twist. But this was fun to see. This is why I do these on my channel. I think I just wanted to feel fancy and bougie doing a 3-strand twist, but it's really, really not necessary. So Let me know in the comments below. Do you do a 3-strand twist, or do you do a 2-strand twist, or twade out, or braid out? What is your favorite way of doing your hair? Twisting your hair, braiding your hair? Let me know in the comments below. And let me know if you're also a low density girl, because we are a gang up in here. So let me know. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.